All right, this is a quick video. Newbie here, and beginner, and in the Facebook group and scale for beginners. And I want to tell you my opinion because on on YouTube, I see flex track, what kind, and all this stuff, and they say don't make these mistakes. And when you actually watch a video, they really don't tell you anything. So I just want to give you my quick input. Right, Atlas flex track has a hole every 9 tiles. Now this is not glued down. It's just sitting in, I got railroad spikes, the HO scale railroad spike through every 9, making a curve, okay? However, Atlas flex track, I have a piece right here, not bolted down. One problem I have with it is you can't really bend it and it holds its shape, okay? And the problem to me with that is simple. If you want to do what I have, just stuff laid out, that you cannot do a curve. See, it's laying straight. But here is the Peco. It's a lot stiffer. It'll form and allow you just to temporarily sit it like that. All right, so that's a pro and con of the Atlas Flex Track and the versus the Peco. This is the SL300 Code 80. I like them both. I'm going to use them both. I'm not going for realistic here. It's a little dark in my garage. You'll see shadows and stuff. Now, I want to talk to you about the way I did this here. Right. This is a 13-inch. Took a ruler. Now, I went 1 inch in, put a hole. And I went down 14, put a hole. That'll give me a 13-inch radius. Now I can create more if I want to do a 17. Remember, I got a -1. The reason is I just pop a pencil at 1 and I just spin it around on the nail like this. Okay. Put it here. And it'll give me that perfect. And what I did was I took the yardstick, I went all the way to the corner this way, and then I punched the nail, spun it, and made sure it reached perfectly here. And then that got me my perfect set. And the nice thing about going 1 inch in is it also pulled me 1 inch away. So that was nice, right? So that's one little tip. For cutting track, just using my Craftsman Professional Series side cutters, works. I do have a Dremel. 3D printer, I do have the side nippers. They would work as well. I have used them. Another quick little thing. These guys, you can get them off Thingiverse. They're free. You can 3D print them. I did them in PLA. I have a resin printer as well, but as you can see, they fit right in the track. You can slide it, and it would actually, if these are down, you can actually tell you get them nice and straight. Just print out a ton of them, right? All right. And I printed them in low quality, so if somebody wants to say, hey, it looks like garbage. Yeah, I did low quality, fast print, because I didn't care. All right. Now, I mentioned the Peco track. Does not have holes. However, I used Peco in that corner, and the way I did my holes, I have a lot of hobbies, RC cars and everything. Well, within the RC car world, micro RCs, I somewhere along the line picked this up, right? So it's very, very, very small drill bit, handheld, and you can put a little rod in there, get a little torque on it. But this little guy, right on top, spin it, and went right through, because nice sharp drill bit, and then the railroad spike held it down. So this is a quick video, and that's what I was saying. So small handheld drill bit for putting holes through the railroad ties to put a nail, side cutters for cutting track, yardstick, as I mentioned. This thing is kind of beat. If you noticed, it's like this. I'm going to glue it and put it back together because this is a very old one. I don't even know. It's from Manahawk. It's actually from one of the train tables I tore apart. I don't even know if this place is around. I'll have to check it out, see if they are. But as I said, 1 inch in, drill a hole, and then any radius you want. You want 13, 12, 15, just go up 1 inch because you're an inch in. And as I said, doing it to the corners is awesome because it gives you a 1-inch buffer as well. Alrighty, until the next video, thanks for watching.